Miles de besos y caricias que te di se fueron con el viento cuando te perdí. Aún siguen razones por cual puedo discutir, pero no me importa, te quiero junto a mí. Hoy no quiero que me digas.
Alright guys, it's finally not that windy. My boy is here. We're about to do some detailing to the giveaway truck. Alright yo guys, check out his truck. Damn. Setting up the shop right here.
Yes, sir.
Fat boy detailing. Alright guys, so here we go. Peanut butter interior. About to get detailed by my boy right here. He's about to bring it back to life. It's gonna look brand new. He's even gonna change the color of it. Check it out guys. He pretty much saw the color of this truck, of the interior I mean, and he likes it, so we're gonna hook it up. Look at that, beautiful. All OEM. I don't know about this guy anymore. He's searching the truck, I don't know for what.
All the free bolo, man. Catch man, you guys about these, so you guys need change, I got you. Look at so far what I got. All
damn, the tip.
Yep, basically.
Free, he's giving himself a free tip.
Beautiful brown interior.
Taking all the shit from the past owner. STP cabin filter.
Damn, look, more change. What the fuck?
Damn, bro. What is this, Tapa Boca? That fool was ahead of the game. Fuck. I think you put your nose right here in the middle. Oh, my boy forgot his shades in here.
Them Gucci or not? So I can keep them.
They are, oh shit, they're Oakleys, bro.
No way.
Oakleys.
Oh shit, they are. Oh damn. Nice. Comes with the raffle truck too.
Too bad I'm fucking blind. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Qué te gusta?
My name's Firulais. Soy perro de la calle. Nah, I'm just kidding. Fat Boy Details. Not the best, but I can get your stuff done. So give me a follow.
That's right. Give him a follow, guys. It's gonna be guess you don't want a shout out. I'm just kidding. His Instagram's gonna be right here and down in the description, guys. You guys know how it is. And check out his truck. This isn't his only truck, but we're gonna give away his other truck. He just got this one. He wanted to be cool and join the extended cab boys. If you guys have an extended cab, down in the comments put extended cab boys. Put it down in the comments, guys. That's right. ¡No quema! Oh yeah, guys, that's not gonna be there anymore, okay? It's gonna be an electric window after next week.
You ready to see that dirty water or what?
Yeah, let's see it. Go. God damn. That's nasty.
Yes, sir.
It's from all the bellows and shit.
It's all that butt juice, homie.
Yeah. Damn. Check it out, guys. Look at the new interior. Nice and clean. Hell yeah. That's a lot, bro.
Yeah. Just like a little skirt, see? That's how we strip ourselves.
What is that, water?
Huh?
I want it to smell like water.
Oh yeah, what's it? It smells like Fiji.
Oh shit.
Just the best, bro.
Mmm, that smells good. Black ice.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, my boy Fat Boy Details did a great job. It's just this paint is pretty shitty. Look at that shit. But it won't be like that for long, guys. Not for long. Stay tuned for the paint job.